There you go. Brand new bearing. Yeah, so we're putting together this front end, and we're going to put it on the Model A. Got some round backs from the swap meet. I had these kingpins in the case. We just put new Zerk fittings on them. Blasted and painted the spindles. The axle's all good. It's all painted, so that's nice. Really just need to get a set of shackles and a front spring. I'm checking the back. I might have a front spring. Then we'll be all set. We can put this on the car because I do have a set of 40 front hubs, so that'll be good. That'll match right up to this. It's another step in the right direction on that Model A. But I got to do some work on this guy. Probably gonna.
Look at that. That's
Yeah, before and after.
like
And you
10
don't
seconds.
need new bearings because there's nothing really wrong. They just get caked with grease and get a little rusty. So just clean up your bearings, guys. Don't get new ones. Oh, you missed a spot.
Okay, where? It's big.
11/16.
Yep. Bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
You're loosening it. Dang dingus. Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah.
Never know. Someone probably gonna take it apart after they get it anyway.
Probably.
Tight.
So, just snug it up.
Yeah. To make it their own.
Good enough. Right there.
Or if they want to put spacers in between.
Yeah, I think it's good.
It's a little shim in between the bearing, but that's good enough to make it roll.
Yep.
Packing plates are on. This one just needs a spring-a-ling. That's it, and this one's all set. It's got shoes on it. You know, it's not the greatest, but they're there. It's a nice core for somebody to work with. We just found a tie rod, so we're gonna send that on.
Let's just see the distance here. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, it should be pretty close.
They are adjustable and everything, so
Yeah, so just clean up the grease off of it, and you should
yeah,
be
doing a
alright.
pretty good job of that right now.
Yeah, touch it for 5 seconds, and you're disgusting. All right.
Rolls on a wet rags.
We're still gonna clean up the bench and work on my other Fender, the 36, because between Kelly and this Model A, it's disgusting. Yeah, so we got these fancy chrome shackles on here now. Just gotta swap the rear spring out with this guy, because this is a normal Model A rear spring when we have a truck one in there now, so. Sweet. Can't move it? Oh, you can move it a little bit. Chrome shackles, watch out.
Keep getting all stretched up.
Easier?
Way easier.
Okay.
So after surgically removing everything.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Is there any bushing left in them?
Doesn't look like there's much.
Okay, so it should be easy to take out.
That one fell out. This one is like
Perfect.
basically there.
Okay, yeah, with a punch, just push it out.
Mm.
Cool. And then we put the bushings in. Done. Yeah, let's get the bushings out and get that thing out, and then we'll see about getting the spring on, because that's also going to be fun. So we put the spring in, forgot that we don't have a spring expander. Is that nut off? Don't. Okay.
It's okay.
I was gonna say you could squish your fingers in between the frame and the spring, so I wouldn't go crazy, right? Because that's what's holding it right now, is this.
Yeah, now what?
Yeah, put that back on. And then we'll tweak the spring off of the cross member.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
But otherwise, it's not going to be easy. We're going to have to do something about it next time when
Think about what?
when we actually have to put the leaves back on the top after the shackle's on. So take those off. Okay, get the shackle ready. I'll try to.
I don't even know where the shackle is.
Ready?
Nope.
I'm not ready for man lead.
Oh, someone put it together. Okay, not ready.
Okay, it's gonna be quick.
Yep. Still don't know.
Okay. The
put a
wheel's
little-
what's killing me.
Let's put a little bit of the weight of the body on it. Maybe.
Oh.
Nah.
Oh, hold on.
Get down here so I can get punched in the face with the spring once it slides off.
Interesting.
Oh, hold on. Yep. This fucking backing plate, dude.
Can you get the things on?
I don't know, this bushing fell out. Yeah, it's just gotta go like this way.
Down you?
Like just down, up, down, up. Yeah, just like that.
Then you need to hit the whole spring.
No, I got it. God, butterfingers. Go back a little bit. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Shackles on. I just need to get the bolts.
Yeah, see I'm starting, I'll get off.
One. Okay, you're good.
Redneck engineering right here.
Oh yeah. It's what built these cars in the fucking 50s. Wrench.
Yeah, the screw is missing.
Hammer? Maybe not.
You gotta feel like a whole screwdriver's worth away. So maybe you can keep it in there, but just I'm gonna try and get it over. That's helping. Oh. Sweet shot of money right there.
Straightened it out pretty good.
Is this long enough to? A couple more. I think we can get the nut and the washer on. Hit it over.
Huh?
Hit it over. Straighten it out.
This way?
Yeah. Yeah, seems good. Where's the...
Why does it keep happening?
Trying too hard. Put this on the top then, do the bottom. So you have more to grab onto.
Jeez, it's not even close.
No.
No.
What's the word? Ironic or something?
Huh?
Ironic? Is that the word?
I guess.
That should be enough. It's really not much. And, oh yeah, we just jacked the rear end back up into this. It's home.
Yay.
How's it going?
It's going. I'll put it in there. Nah.
Hammer.
Pretty good.
You get those nuts?
Okay, set her down.
Looking at the grill up front, I just hope nothing's gonna. Yeah, maybe, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is how it is. Did you change it
No,
at all?
not
No?
really.
What's up, Cal? Well, it moves now.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're over here messing with the Model A, trying to figure out a steering setup for Jacob's car, actually. And he took his 35 to 40 steering bracket and a 37, 8, 9, 4, I think it's a 40, honestly. Steering box and column. And, you know, this fits right over the Model A frame. And, you know, side steer. There you go.
Yeah, I got
So-
full fenders, so and I also don't care about a drag link.
Yeah.
Like some people are probably gonna think, oh, it doesn't look as clean. I don't care. The thing
Yeah,
steers,
who
and
cares?
it's better than Model A box. So
It's a lot better than a Model A
those
box.
things suck.
So it's a little tight here. You might have to mess with like steering
Extremely
angle
tight.
and run like a 16-inch wheel. But
That's what I have, I think.
you know, it's a good steering box. So I think we're going to do this in here, honestly. So I went in the back in the dungeon. So that's what he took the bracket off of, this front section. From the frame that you guys...
So happy with me about cutting up.
Yeah, so happy
junk.
with us. Well, this was good, but the rest of it was junk.
This is good. That's why I keep this part around.
So I found this in the back. You know, the exact same bracket. And I got another steering box and column, but they took it out locked. So I can't turn it. I don't know if it turns. So I'm going to have to drill the lock out, I think. That's the only option here.
Oh. Yeah, right. That was so fun.
I don't think that equates to open sesame, though.
Yeah, I think you have to do some shit.
Jeez. Oh, I got pretty far. I didn't think I did.
Okay.
Okay, let me drill some more, see what happens.
You got locked.
Yeah, what? Yeah, that was a very dumb idea to take a steering column out locked, unless that's their only option.
Yeah, I remember that the second time I tried.
Oh, hold on.
I don't know, one of my friends starts to struggle with the screw here, so.
There's another thing over here that I think locks that tumbler in.
Oh.
So if we can just drill that out.
You can just spin it as a unit. Something fell out.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I was trying it. It's coming.
That's what I was trying. Oh, I get the strip. Okay, lock cylinder. Out. Okay, does the steering wheel turn? Yay!
Yeah, look at that.
This is the guy?
Now just keep this up.
There it is. I should have just looked. There's a little pin that holds this in.
Yeah, we just ruined that.
Just drill the pin and you can probably just pull this out. But, you know, lesson learned.
Yep.
Alright, so we just had
the actual pry bar for that.
Yeah, oh yeah. Shoved on there pretty good. So we got, see, missing space. Oh my gosh. Red Model A. Andy's finally starting the process to get his Model A coupe to England. There it is. It's in the back. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. So, on the way. Next, hopefully, is the 40. And a nice gentleman coming up from Pennsylvania to come look at that. And hopefully I can build this cool enough that somebody would want this. That's the plan. Got that bracket on the frame rail. It's a little loosey. I need to drill a hole here. Fill this one, drill a hole here. Do the same thing on the bottom, kind of mess around with a bracket. You know, get it fitting the way I want it to. It is close to the block. Yes, you're right. Looks like someone already relieved that with a hammer. So I'm doing this, doing side steer. I got drag length there from a 40. That's box from a 40. It's probably gonna have to be a lot shorter. We'll figure that out when the time comes. And obviously this front end is not going under it. I'm waiting for the shackles. Once we get the shackles, it's game time. Swap the front end under. Hook the steering up. Will be cherry. we need to handle these, and I need to get a wood kit because this, you know, it's hurting right now. Because I only have one of these, and it's really, I didn't lock this in place yet because I don't have it. I haven't fixed this top piece yet. So like the cowl section wants to kind of come in, and I also don't have any blocks underneath the body other than the ones in front. So, you know, still needs a bunch of work to it. We're getting there, moving along. I don't think I need to order a wood kit for the bottom. I think I have all those blocks. It's just this top stuff, the body wood and roof wood, which kind of sucks because that's like $500 and the inside's like 500. So a bunch of money I need to spend on just wood, but it's worth it because it's gonna elevate the quality of this body. So gotta do it. All right, so we're working on this 36 rear fender right now. We have a makeshift, what do you call it? Flexible shape pattern that Jacob made. So I've been taking, you know, making pieces from this because I don't have a piece that long. It's kind of ridiculous. So I'm gonna have to do two, and it's probably better that I make two anyway, in case I don't lay that flexible shape pattern perfectly on a piece, and my piece that I make ends up veering off to the side or veering off in here. You know, just kind of better to make it in half. So this top half needs to be like a 36 radius, and this on this side is a reverse curve because of that shape there. This is a nice yeah, reverse curve. Goes this way and this way. So I got that in there. Sorry for the terrible camera work. I got this here, fits up nice there, and this. So I'm just gonna clamp this down and then start working on the other piece to make the rest of the side. I know I don't have to go all the way down because I gotta replace this whole corner, and that patch comes up to like here. So I'll make two the hole just so I got extra. And yeah, that's it. Ooh, jeez. It's kind of crazy that you bring something to sandblasting and they don't sandblast the Bondo off. He was saying it was hard, but like, you know, I'm paying you to do it. I don't care if it's hard. It's hard because I can't do it, so I'm paying you to do it. And you still don't finish the job. I don't know. I don't like talking smack, but the girl that they had over there before that was sandblasting and everything did a lot better of a job. It would be more expensive, but she did a lot better. She just took her time and actually aided everything. And so when you got it back, it was actually blasted and the job was finished. But yeah, this is like half the price, but you got half the job. I guess that's why it's half the price. All right. Yeah, let me get that Cleco down there and work on the other side. It's a funky little piece. Half reverse, half concave, convex. All right, so I got this piece cut out. Nasty. Nasty, nasty, doubled over, gross. So now I got this nice piece. I do have to make that. It does have a double, but that one's like triple nasty. It does have a doubler that goes from here all the way to the end, but this is a bad homemade job. So I'm gonna make a nice one. First I gotta repair the outer skin before I start doing the supports. So yeah, let me trim the edge, because I just took the cutting wheel and went close to my scribe line, but I didn't cut on it. So let me trim away this, and then we'll be looking pretty good. We can start tacking this on there. That's all I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tack this on there, then I'm gonna make this piece, tack that on there, and fully weld everything. got this piece welded on. Nice concave over, or reverse curve here. Shape over here, shape everywhere. Doesn't look like it, but it is. It's not just a flat flange. Jacob just cut out the other two. And then, you know, I'll trim them up and weld it to the other one. And then I just need to make a doubler on the bottom here. Yow, that's hot over there. And then it'll be ready. Almost. Oh yeah. This. I gotta order these. Alright, so I'm working on a metal finish in this. It's coming out pretty good. You know, more than halfway done. Then I'll hit this with a high-speed sander, then a DA, and call it a day. This over here, I think it's going to be a little bit trickier for me because it's not a, you know, convex shape. It's a concave. So grinding that's always less fun than anything else. But we'll get through it. We'll power through it. I do have my little reverse curve hammer, which is actually a stretching hammer, but I also like to use it in reverse curves. Or I can go and then hit the backside with a hammer. That works too. But this is nice. So I'm gonna continue, you know, working this. Then maybe hit it with a planisher a little bit just to even everything out. Alright, so I'm almost done. Compressor needs to fill up, but you know, I've been getting done. I need to elongate or enlarge in these holes around the edge. Finish DA in this. Then this will be done so far. Till I get the parts. Then I can move to the next one. Like I said, I think I want to hit this a little bit. Put my reverse curve die in there. Me and reverse curves, planishing it out by hand. I'm not the best at it, so I like to get the planisher in here and square away my lumpiness. But yeah, other than that, it's going pretty good. Ooh, baby, look at that. What's up? I like it when I do a nice job. You know what I'm saying? Look at that fender. It looks brand new. Can't beat that with a stick, can you? Alright, the only thing left to do is this stupid corner, obviously. I said it 6 times. And then I'm going to come around here. There's a few. You can see these dents right here. There's one dent here. There's a couple dents here. I literally just need to run the planisher over it, and they'll be gone. So I'm not really worried about those. I'll do that after I weld that in or something. But I want to get started on the other fender. And as you guys can see, if you don't believe me, you can see that it has been welded by me. Sick. That went from like a $500 fender to a $1,200 fender really quickly. once I fix that, it's going to be a $3,000 Fender. Sheesh. These things are not cheap. But, you know, I don't know. So I think that's it for this video. I'm kind of throwing everything into one video right now. I kind of, you know, I change what I do. I really don't do the same thing all the time. Sometimes I do dedicated videos. I'm probably going to do dedicated videos on the 32. But, like, flip car, customer car kind of thing, I think that'll be kind of mixed in. I'm not sure. I'm just kind of getting back in the swing of things. But we'll see. As you can see, Kelly's shirts came in. My shirts have not come in yet. So, be patient. They are coming. I did not steal your money. So she is sending hers out, but the orders that you ordered, mine and her shirts, they're going to wait until we have everything. We'll ship it out to you. So again, thank you guys for the support on mine and Kelly's channels. So yeah, there are a few of her shirts left. We ordered a few extras, so if you want to jump on there, if you didn't get one, see if they got your size. We've already had a bunch. After she posted, she had the box of shirts. Like 5 or 6 orders came in right away. So the extras that we do have, they're really limited now. Probably by the time this is coming out, they're all gone, but who knows? Again, thank you guys, and we'll be back on stuff pretty soon. Still no sub rails on the 32 though. I'm very aggravated. It's shipped through Estes, which is like LTL, less than truckload freight company. And it was good. It was shipping. It was getting delivered by Estes on Thursday. It was said it was out for delivery. I was excited. And then Friday, nothing happened. Friday morning, I checked the tracking again. It said it transferred the shipment to another delivery agent, which I'm guessing is just some dude in a Penske truck with a lift gate. Friday, nothing happens. Saturday, nothing happens. Sunday, nothing happens. Monday, nothing happens. And today, Tuesday, nothing has happened. I have no word of where my sub rails are. I was giving myself 2 weeks to finish this car, and it's already been a week and a half, and I still have no sub rails, and I can't do any work. So I have a half of a week to get this car done. Thanks, Bennett. Or thanks, Jordan. I'm not going to call you by your last name. Thanks, Jordan. Yeah, I don't have much time anymore. We'll see. That 2 weeks thing really shot myself in the foot with that one because of the sub rail delivery. I'll give myself 2 weeks from when I get the sub rails to the house, because I can't do anything until I have the sub rails. I've done as much as I feel comfortable with without sub rails. Alright, enough blabbing. Catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.